And welcome back to Just Swing It. Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back, boys and girls. And welcome back, RC model aviation enthusiasts all across the globe. In this video, we're featuring the new E-flite, or newer, it's less than a month old, the E-flite UMX P-51 Mustang. This is the Detroit Miss. This is probably on its, third iteration, I think. It came out several years ago. It was a two-cell plane. I think it was silver and black trim. Came out last couple of years. As a Reno Racer Voodoo. It had the same military style canopy and whatnot, but it was painted up in Reno Racer regalia. That was a 2-cell or 3-cell. Now they have it 2-cell, 3-cell, but now it's back in its military garb as a Detroit Miss. We're going to go ahead and get this thing in the air and not babble so much, because this is some nice weather that we're having right now, and it's been raining all day. So let's go ahead and get this thing in the air. What do you say? All right, plus the parking lot's wide open, right? So let's go. All right. And yeah, this thing is really, really, really peppy. That was about half throttle, okay? Half throttle. It's really, really nice. It really is. So we got people running around on their quads. They have all the desert to drive through, but they'll drive through here. Makes all the sense in the world, right? Makes all the sense in the world. Look at that loop. God. That loop is crazy. Crazy. Anyways, this thing has got more power. I know you probably can't see it. It specs out quite a bit because it's so small and it is so fast, right? So that's part of the problem with this plane, trying to get it on a hat cam. Beautiful little aileron rolls. You know, flying obviously with the wheels. But I'll tell you what, this thing is just an amazing model. Flying it on a 3-cell, 300 milliamp, 30C battery all the way back. And that's just about right. In fact, it's perfect. There's no trims on this model whatsoever right now. Really, there just isn't any trims at all. Let's do another big old loop. What do you say? Yeah, that was more or less a corkscrew because I entered it at an angle. So that's what happens when you enter your loops at an angle. But okay. So yeah, it's just a beauty. It really is. Let's do a touch and go for you here. She likes the power on. Let's bring the power on. There you go. All right, bring her up. Yeah, this thing is just an amazing, amazing, amazing plane. It really is. Let me do a touch and go the other way here. Let's move out here. I'm going to try and slit the needle with those trees right there. Oh, the sun feels so good. It's on my back now. We're done with the rain, maybe, perhaps. Yeah, the minute you give it throttle, it just sort of climbs right up, which is kind of aggravating because I'm trying to do a touch and go. Anyway. Let's go ahead and let her come on down. Oh! I do the tree. Why did I know that would happen? Oh, gosh. Oh, no. Oh, no. Oh, wow. Man, oh, man.